Hey, it's happy hump day. It's Wednesday night. I'm about to break my fast, 8:34, and I got another smoothie. Same ingredients as yesterday, 2.5 ounces of banana, 1.5 ounces of some blueberries, my ICI powder, a half a teaspoon, pomegranate powder, half a teaspoon, my Noosh almond protein powder, 2 scoops, my collagen by Equipped powder. What else is in there? Flaxseed, grounded flaxseed, 2 tablespoons. And I think that's it, and some water. So that's what I have in my smoothie, and ice. I'll use ice and water to so it'll be kind of slushy, frozen like. And then today I did something new. I did some sprints with some burpees in between. I didn't film it. Just didn't feel like setting my camera up or anything like that. But I basically did this one, the faster. So basically you do 4 rounds, basically the 100-meter dash, but you're supposed to do it at like 90% speed, but I went all in, of course. And then you walk 2 minutes between each sprints, and then you rest for 5 minutes. So what I did was I ran my 100 meters, I walked for the 2 minutes, and then I did 5 burpees. So I did, in this right here, I did 20 burpees. So I did 4 rounds, and then here I did 4 rounds again. You split the length down, so you do 60 meters. I just took a guess on the track. You walk 2 minutes between sets, so you actually have to do all 4. With this one, you did 1 sprint, you walk to 2 minutes, you rest for 5 minutes, then you go to the second one. This one you have to do all 4. After you do all 4 sets, then you walk for 2 minutes and rest for 5 minutes. So I actually only did 5 to 10 burpees in this set, like after I finished all 4, and by then my shins was hurting. So I went ahead and toughed it out, and then I did the third one, which is you do 4 rounds again. You shorten your running, but you're supposed to give 100% max. But by then I was pooped out, but I did what I could. I actually only did 2 rounds and then I skipped the other 2. I did high knees skipping the other 2, and then I did I walked the whole track, came back, did 10 burpees, and then I rest for 5 minutes. And I only did 1 set of each. I didn't do no 2 sets because my shins was hurting me, my knees was starting to bother me with that full out running. So what I did after that is I did some squats with I did shuffles, side to side shuffles, 10 shuffles to one side, 10 shuffles with another in the other side, and I used my resistant band and put my feet through the hand loops and then put the band around my neck, and I shuffled 10 steps to the right, 10 steps to the left. And then with the same thing, I did 20 squats with my feet in the hand loops and the band around my neck to give it more tension. So I did that, and then I walked around the track and walked back to my car, and I was out there for about a good hour or so doing all of this. So that's what I did for today. So I'll see y'all back for dinner. Hello, it's Wednesday night. Dinner time is 11:32. I have here Wagyu grass-fed burger. It was 2 in the pack, so I needed to cook this one. So it's 8 ounces with some soft cheese. I forget the name of the cheese. A little bit of A1 steak sauce, some onions. Then I got 4 ounces of green beans. I had a little bit of sweet potato left from Monday. It's about 2.5 ounces, so I needed to eat it. And then I have a salad right here with some, it's a lettuce mix with radish, iceberg lettuce, carrots, and some organic cherry tomatoes. They came in all shades like green, red, yellow, and some onion. And that's all I have here for tonight. I can't remember what my macros was for this. I think it was about, let me look. Okay, so all of my smoothie in this is 1,343 calories. Of course, I went over on my carbs because I had a banana and some fruit earlier, and then this right here, and then the green beans. You know, everything has carbs in it. So, yeah, so this is my food for tonight. Tomorrow is another day, and on the day 4 workout. So I see y'all tomorrow. Hope everybody is safe. And thanks for watching. Peace. Hey everybody. So it's Thursday, and I'm gonna do some arms today. And then depending on how I feel, I might just walk the track afterwards, a couple of laps for my cardio, or I might run the stairs. But my lower half is screaming, so it's probably looking more of me probably just walking the track a couple of laps after I finish my upper body workouts. I'm doing biceps, shoulders, and triceps, and then I'm gonna try to get in some mountain climbers and burpees. Superset my cardio with some burpees. So that is my plan for today. Again, I did sprints yesterday, and it's getting ants out here like crazy. I did sprints yesterday, and yeah, my legs is like, oh my gosh, my inner thighs is the worst, and my knees are a little sore too. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'll be back. Hello, it's Thursday night. Tomorrow is Friday. Lord Jesus, help me one more day. So these last couple of days workouts has been butt kicking, but I gotta do it. So tonight for dinner, I racked my mind what I wanted for dinner and what I wanted to do with these chicken thighs. I didn't feel like too much messing around in the kitchen. So basically my first thought was to make you know, some type of chicken salad, shredded chicken, because the chicken was frozen. All I had to do was put it in the water with some stock, vegetable, chicken stock, season it up, and just let it slow cook. And I said, you know what? I'm going to just have my chicken breast. So I took the bone out of it. It is tender because it cooked all day. And I had these vegetables that I had bought last week from Whole Foods. Now, so I'm gonna just put with it because I didn't want to add a lot of fillers. Like I first thought about barbecue shredded over a salad. But then that's just like extra carbs and calories. that I probably didn't need to do. So I just left it plain, put it over this salad, this vegetable right here, which is this. I found this at Whole Foods last week. Never had it before, but it seemed, you know, interesting. Super greens. So I tried it and I tasted a little bit and it seemed to taste good. I did season it and I cooked it on the stove and, in a tablespoon of butter. It's only 4 total carbs and it's 2 fibers. So if you want to count net, it's only 2 net carbs. The ingredients seem to be pretty clean. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Doesn't say, does it say organic? No, it just says certified vegan, non-GMO, verified, low sodium. So it's not organic, but oh well, we'll take it. Apple cider vinegar. Seasoning is dehydrated onion, sea salt, spices, including celery seed, mustard, and turmeric. Dehydrated celery, dehydrated garlic, gluten-free yeast extract, olive oil, lemon peel, orange peel, and paprika, extra virgin olive oil. So it seems to be pretty straightforward. I would have preferred if it was organic. Serving size is 1 cup, but the bag is 10 ounces. I weighed it as well, and it was only 8.5 ounces. I don't know. Maybe because it's frozen. I don't know. The bag say 10 ounces. It wasn't 10 ounces. They shorted me 1.5 ounces because it was only 8.5 ounces. But, you know, it's low in fat. It is low in sodium. It's low in sugars, 1 gram of sugar. So, yeah. And I did cook it on the stove. I did say that. Do not add water. So, yeah. So, that's what the greens, that's what the greens is right here. The super greens. And again, when I tasted it, it tastes pretty good. You know, I seasoned it up myself. And then I have my salad here, which is a salad mix with some iceberg lettuce, radish, carrots, and cabbage, red cabbage. And then I put some cherry tomatoes, a slice of bacon I chopped up, onion, what else? And cucumber. Everything was weighed out. And then I put my avocado ranch salad dressing on it. So this is what's for dinner. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up when y'all come in. It'll help to get my videos in the algorithm so I could start getting more views. I thank y'all for watching, and we'll be back at it tomorrow, Friday. Peace.